Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Talia and I will be your teacher today. Here, you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. We've partnered with RIM Intelligence to bring their global energy benchmarks directly into Curveseries. This means you now have comprehensive daily and historical data covering everything from crude refined products and LPG to power and Japanese lorry rack prices. By combining RIM's decades of APAC market expertise with Curveseries advanced analytics, you get deeper transparency and a seamless workflow, all in one place. Let's look at how you can start using it. Before we dive in, make sure you have your RIM Intelligence subscription set up. You'll need it to access the data here. Also, keep in mind that we host RIM's historical data, but we don't carry their actual reports. Start by right-clicking on the Dashboard tab and selecting New Historical Chart. Next, navigate to the left-hand panel and locate the Premium Data folder. Click on it and select RIM Intelligence. From there, choose the product you would like to view from either of the folders. For example, open the Crude folder and select Tokyo Spot Crude Dubai Front Month. Once your selection is complete, choose how many years of history you need and click Save, and the chart for Tokyo Spot Crude and Dubai Front Month dollars per barrel will be generated and displayed within seconds. Similarly, you can download the data directly into Excel using the Curveseries add-in. Simply click on Download Series. Then navigate to the Premium Data folder and select RIM Intelligence. From there, choose the products you would like to download. Since the data is being downloaded in Excel, you can select multiple products at once, making it easy to build a customized dataset. Once you've made your selections, choose how many years of history you want to see and click Save. Then hit Refresh Download, and your data will be downloaded in Excel within seconds. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. Be sure to stay tuned for more training videos and upcoming data partnership collaborations. Curveseries is your one-stop platform for market data and analysis.